In less than 2 months, Samsung is gearing up to unveil its next-gen foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. As we inch closer to the official announcement, leaks and rumors have taken over the internet, revealing design changes, specifications, and exciting new features. From a slimmer, refined look for the Fold to a bigger cover display on the Flip, Samsung appears to be setting new benchmarks in foldable tech. With the launch right around the corner, let's break down everything we know so far about the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Is this the most advanced foldable yet? Design and display the slimmest foldable ever? Samsung is reportedly making bold moves with a record-breaking 3.9mm ultra-slim design when unfolded, making it possibly the thinnest foldable smartphone yet. From a design standpoint, the Fold may 7th resemble the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, which was launched exclusively in South Korea and China. However, the biggest improvement could be in the hinge. Samsung is working on a refined hinge mechanism that drastically reduces screen creases, providing users with an even smoother folding experience. As for displays, we can expect mobile phone a 6.5-inch AMOLED cover display, perfect for quick interactions. Mobile phone an 8.0-inch AMOLED main display, a massive screen for productivity and entertainment. Mobile phone 120Hz refresh rate. Both displays will offer ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. With such a sleek, polished design, the Fold 7 is shaping up to be one of the best-looking foldable smartphones to date. Performance and battery. Flagship-level power. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with high-voltage 12GB RAM for blazing fast multitasking. High-voltage up to 1TB internal storage, perfect for storing heavy apps, photos, and videos. High-voltage One UI 8, based on Android 16, promising a fresh software experience right out of the box. For lasting performance, Samsung is likely sticking with a 4,400 mAh battery, supporting 25W fast wired charging. While battery life on foldable phones has often been a concern, Samsung's optimizations in hardware and software could help maximize efficiency. Camera. A major upgrade for photography enthusiasts. Samsung appears to be bringing a powerful camera system to the Fold 7, possibly one of the best setups in the foldable market. Expected specs include camera with flash 200MP main sensor, a massive leap in mobile photography. Camera with flash 12MP ultrawide camera, perfect for capturing landscapes and group shots. Camera with flash 10MP telephoto lens, 3x optical zoom, crisp close-ups and zoomed-in details. Camera with flash dual front cameras, 10MP cover camera plus 4MP main screen camera. With this setup, Samsung is ensuring that Fold 7 users get flagship-level photography and videography despite the foldable form factor. Whether you're capturing everyday moments or shooting professional-grade content, this camera system aims to deliver top-tier results. Launch date and expected price. How much will it cost? Samsung is expected to officially unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 7 at Galaxy Unpacked in July 2025. As for pricing, no major price hikes have been reported so far, meaning it could remain in the same range as its predecessor. With cutting-edge improvements across design, performance, and camera capabilities, the Fold 7 is shaping up to be a serious contender in the foldable space.